And we are back with another video, and today I want to talk about the newest edition, the newest special edition Dodge Durango Hellcat that they are rolling out. Will be available on Dodge Garage, and you will be able to go to a Dodge dealership and get completely and utterly ripped off and made into a complete fool if you purchase one of these things. And here's why. Here's what's happening. We are watching the unfolding of what was once a great American company, albeit had its challenges. Right now, we're watching it completely disintegrate right before our eyes. And these special editions, while we are grateful Dodge, grateful Stellantis, for you continuing to deliver Hellcat engines in the Durango platform, we're grateful for that because, frankly, the alternative is a Hornet or this Dodge Charger EV thing that was supposed to be for 2024 that is still yet to make it to dealerships. So the only things out there we can even think about getting are this Dodge Durango that has a Hellcat engine in it, which is awesome. So don't get me wrong. I mean, yeah, we're upset about all the other stuff, but folks, we have a Hellcat. But what's happening, and I think you all could agree here, what's happening is they're trying to just get rid of all the extra crap they've had stored up. So this one's called the Dodge Durango Hammerhead Special Edition. And it's going to be for a bargain price offered to all of us for the bargain price of $115,000, which it's an old platform, an old, well, slightly updated interior. I'll give them that. But bottom line is, it's not a new car hitting the market. It is an old car, but with one of the last Hemi Hellcat engines. But the reason why they're calling it the Hammerhead, you ready for this? This is awesome. Is because they're putting the Hammerhead colored interior, that Hammerhead leather interior that some of you probably have never even heard of or seen it. It was an option when you were getting a jailbreak to select that interior. I know this because I selected it because I actually like it a lot. Although I've never seen it in person, I like the pictures a lot. And I don't think anyone ever ordered it. I think I might have been one of the few people. Now, some of you are going to be like, I got it. That's cool. But I have been to tons of dealerships over the last year, 2 years, and I have not found a single one, whether it be a Durango, Charger, Challenger, with the Hammerhead interior, which what that tells me is that they have a whole hell of a lot of that Hammerhead material left over. Whole bunch of seats piled up. So they're sitting in a board meeting going, so what do we do now? And I'm not going to try to fake a French accent.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
But you guys can try to put that in context here. And they're going, so Pierre, what do we do here? We got all this friggin' Hammerhead leather, and we're not going to put that on any of the other cars since nobody wanted it before, even though I thought it was cool. Nobody really wanted it. Nobody ordered it before. We thought it was going to be something people wanted, but it was not ordered.
Please. A French accent, please.
Come on, man. I'm trying to film. I'm literally filming right now. $19 folks. 19 years. Love her to death. So anyways, they're sitting in the room, and one of the guys goes, what are we going to do with all this crap that nobody wanted? Well, we just got to throw it away. Well, maybe we could stick it on the Citroens. No, they ain't going to want it either. Well, man, it's a lot of money there we're going to lose. Yeah, that's true. Well, shit, why don't we, I have an idea. Why don't we make a special edition? Yeah, that's the ticket.
Yeah, that's it, ticket.
We'll make a special edition with the Hammerhead leather interior, and we will tell them that this is like the coolest thing in the world, and you got to get in, order it, and we'll price it. We'll price it really good, right? We'll price it really good. We'll price it like at $90,000, and then everybody will come and buy it. We'll get through all that other stuff. Everybody, you happy with us? No, Pierre. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna price it at $115,000, and then the dealers are gonna add $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 on top of it, and then some knucklehead, ooh, we should call it the knucklehead, not the hammerhead, is going to come in and they're going to buy that thing.
Yes, it's all coming back now. Ah, yes, I remember.
Because it's the last one we're ever going to make. Until the next one we make, that's going to be called something else, depending on what they have left over. So I'll tell you, I believe completely what is happening here in this situation is they have a whole hell of a lot of leftover stuff, and they've got to get rid of it. And we're going to see special editions continue as they have leftover stuff. Because this is, I think we are realizing, the cheapest, tightest company in the whole world, and they're going to make sure that they get us one way or another with every last bit of these Hemis. And I think when they see the social media comments and all of us screaming, bring back the Hemi, bring back the Challenger, bring back the Charger, either the Durango posts are really nice and, oh, man, we love that, that's beautiful, that's awesome, thanks for making another Durango. They go, look, we can still nail them. I can't believe it. These people are still willing to get nailed on an old car, old platform, if we'll just keep delivering stuff out. And then they look over, Pierre and Jean-Claude look at each other.
Superintendent.
They're like, what other crap do we have left over that these stupid Americans will buy for a ridiculously obnoxious price when they could go buy a BMW, Mercedes, or something else? Well, I don't know. But whatever it is, folks, whether it's these silver wheels they're putting on this thing, or whether it's this hammerhead interior, or the blue nightshade, night whatever paint, night moves paint, whatever the hell it is, I think we'll see some special editions coming out just for you all to get your last call, last chance ever Hemi, because they're simply dumping the leftover crap. And that's what we're going to be dealing with all this year, probably through next year, as you're going to see all kinds of new stuff. What they might say, this is the last year, but then next year they're going to say, no, it depends on how much crap they got left over. So let me know if you feel the same way about this in the comments below. I think that's exactly what's happening, and I'm going to implore and just make a plea to you all. Please, please, don't fall for it. Let these things die on the lots. If they rolled this thing out, called it the Hammerhead, and they priced it at $89.9, some of you are going to say it's still overpriced. I would say, okay, cool. You know what else they should have done? And I'll throw this out there. If they were smart, they would make a Durango Hellcat Red Eye. If they were really smart, they would make a Durango Hellcat Red Eye wide body. And then, holy moly, you want to see how bad they get to screw some people? How big the markups will be on those things? But for 115 grand, you're getting the Durango Hellcat with the Hammerhead interior and some wheels, satin hood, the night moves paint, and that's pretty much it for the most part. So with that, everybody, let me know what you think in the comments below. This is the stuff we're going to keep seeing from Dodge, and downright offensive in my opinion, because they think we're going to fall for it. But they're probably right. There's always somebody out there that's going to be like, ooh, I want to get that one. Well, for 115 grand before the dealerships get a hold of you and add on 10, 15, 20 grand, I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it, not falling for it. Get that sucker down. Let's put them in pain, not buy those things, wait till the incentives kick in, and then they are selling these things a year and a half from now and begging us to take them for 85 grand. So with that, everybody, please like, subscribe, comment. I'm going to go in there and kick my wife's rear for interrupting me shooting this video. Just kidding. I love you, honey, if you watch this video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.
Does your dig bad? No? Oh. Let's dig it. I thought you said your dog did not bite.
That is not my dog.